Hello everyone, I am PRANJAN from Srinivas Institute of Technology in ECE. My startup company is Electron. My product name is LED lights. Purpose of product name is Glowtech Lightning. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as I said by the customer during the empathizing activity. To add error identify device in your product, we should make a natural calamities and also make a define it for our younger generation. To add a sensor to control the operation, LED lights will be on or off in anywhere. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement of the customer, may have features are added to the existed product. Existed product name is LED lights. Future product name is GT lighting. It means glow tech lighting. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: sensor, error identity device, heat reducer. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. That sketch is given by below. This is the sketch. I request to viewers for the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.